In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 essential tips for starting a vegetable garden. Starting a vegetable garden can be a rewarding and delicious experience, but it requires some planning and preparation. With little effort, you can enjoy fresh, nutritious vegetables in your own home. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Before touching what I'm going to share with you, don't forget to like and share this video. Now let's dive into these steps. Number 1. Choose the right location. Before you begin planting, it's essential to select a location that receives sufficient sunlight and has well-draining soil. Most vegetables require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, so choose a spot that gets plenty of sun. Also, avoid areas with standing water or where water tends to collect, as this can lead to root rot and other problems. 2. Prepare the soil. Vegetables need nutrient-rich soil to grow well. If your garden soil is lacking nutrients and organic matter like compost and manure to improve soil structure, remove any debris and weeds from the area and till the soil to a depth of about 8 to 10 inches. Number 3. Select the right vegetables. Choose a mix of vegetables that are suitable for your climate and the time of year you're planting. Cool season crops like cabbage and radish do well in spring and fall, while warm season crops like peppers and eggplants thrive in summer. Consider vegetables that are easy to grow in your region. Number 4. Plan your garden layout. Create a garden layout that allows for good air circulation and sunlight penetration. Plant vegetables in rows or beds, leaving enough space between each plant for proper growth. Consider using a raised bed if your soil is poor or you have limited space. Number 5. Plant your vegetables. Follow the specific planting instructions for each type of vegetable. Plant seeds at the correct depth and spacing, and water thoroughly after planting. For transplants, harden them off by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over the course of 7 to 10 days before transplanting. Number 6. Water and mulch. Water your vegetables regularly, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to disease and pests. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulch options include straw and grass clippings, etc. Before we move on to the final step, please subscribe to the channel and get notification for more videos like this. Number 7. Maintain your garden. Keep your garden well maintained by regularly weeding, watering, and fertilizing. Monitor for pests and diseases, and take action promptly if you notice any issues. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and harvest your vegetables at the right time to ensure optimal flavor and nutrition. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to growing a thriving and productive vegetable garden. Thank you and happy gardening.